My name's Marie, I'm 46 and I work in HR. What I'd like to change is my sort of lower face area. I often find that even when I'm smiling, my face isn't smiling with me, so I want my face to match the way that I'm feeling. I find that I've kind of sagged a wee bit on the sides of the face, around the mouth, and I'd really like that to be lifted and plumped in a natural way. But that's kind of the area that I'm wishing to get the results from today. What I want to get out of this treatment is I want my lower face to be lifted. I want to be able to smile and my face smile with me. I want it to be sort of a plumper, more natural looking, and I want to be able to smile and match the way that I feel inside, happy. I chose this clinic. I've known of Darren McKeown for quite some time. I've followed him on TV and I've followed him on social media. I've researched into him. I like the fact that that he has a medical background. He's written numerous papers. I feel safe. I know I can trust the clinic. Whenever I phoned up to inquire about anything, they've always been friendly, accommodating, and I feel that if I put my face in his hands, I know that I'll get a good, natural result. The experience having the treatment, initially I was a bit apprehensive with needles, as I am in life, but Darren applied numbing cream to my face prior to the treatment and put me at ease. I felt comfortable, and other than a wee scratch like you'd get when you have a blood test, I didn't feel anything. I was totally amazed at how quickly Darren worked, how much I didn't feel anything, to the point when actually when it was over, I didn't feel like anything had been done, so totally happy, totally comfortable. Darren makes you feel at ease, and there was no pain whatsoever. I'm feeling really pleased with the results. I'm really happy. I'm amazed at what a few wee tweaks can do to your face, and how knowledgeable Darren was, highlighting areas for me that I didn't realise were going to make the difference. For example, my chin, he's slightly widened the chin, the angle of the chin, which has in effect done the lifting. So whereas I thought maybe I had to pull from the top, he explained, he's very knowledgeable about the structure of your face, etc. obviously, and he was able to get exactly the look that I wanted and the results that I wanted. So I'm very pleased. I have had a few comments, to be fair. I work from home, so I don't interact with a whole lot of people, so it's mainly really family and friends, and I haven't told, or I didn't tell people ahead, so I was pleased for people to say to me, oh, you look well, or there's something about you today, or have you done your hair or something. So I've had plenty of compliments, maybe not pinpointed what's been done, but I think that in itself is good. Nobody's really realised what I've had done. They just realise that I've had a compliment that I look fresh, that I look happier, that I look relaxed. So I'm really pleased with the results. I would recommend this clinic to my friends and family, and I have recommended the clinic to friends and family. I'm really pleased. You couldn't ask for somebody to make you feel more calm. Darren's just got a natural aura about him, very calming, very matter of fact, makes you feel comfortable, and will answer any questions, goes through the procedure with you, makes sure you're fully comfortable with what's going to happen, and totally felt at ease. So yes, I have and will recommend the clinic.